placing this like this. First you fit your washer under, then you wrap in. Once you have it lined up, make sure you use your plumber's putty all the way around the lip to seal completely. After your plumber's putty is molded and put into place, hopefully it should look something like this. Carefully use your tightening tool, your screwdrivers to tighten. Like so. When fully tightened, and you'll have to tighten it more than you realize, but don't over tighten it. It should look something like this. Simply go back, remove excess plumber's putty from around the lip. And you should have a nice tight permanent seal.